I'm Bryan.
I'm Chris.
And we are Uncompassed.
In the truck.
What are we doing?
Going to Texas.
Going to Texas. So, we're not in Kansas anymore.
We are not.
We're not in
Kids back there.
Missouri anymore.
We're not. Or Iowa.
Or Iowa anymore. We're certainly not in Minnesota anymore.
Correct. Yes.
We got kids with. Everybody wave.
Hi. 3 of them anyway.
Right.
Couple down.
Yeah. We left one home to watch the dogs, and the other one is in college. What are you going to do? So this is spring break.
It is spring break.
And we are road tripping to Texas. And we got ourselves a cool little Airbnb, which is how far from the Gulf Beach?
90-second walk.
90 seconds!
That's exciting.
I think we could probably make it.
I think we got this.
Yep. So we would have started this whole thing last night, but by the time we got our troops all gathered and in the vehicle, it was dark.
It was.
And
Rainy.
trying to shoot. Oh, it's very windy and rainy and whatever. So we left our home, around 5-ish or something like that, 4-ish, and picked up this one back here. Can't see him. He's probably nose to phone.
He is.
Picked him up partway through and drove.
Till 4 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah. And we found a cool little place to
Take a little nap.
take a little nap and wake up in the morning. And did we get gas there? Or did we just wake up and go?
Oh, no, I used their bathroom. And
Right. A little bit of a freshen up and jump in the vehicle again. I don't really call it a vehicle, I call it a truck. And make our way. So that brings us to where we are right now. Where are we right now exactly?
Just outside of Dallas. We're about 2 hours outside of Dallas.
A couple hours outside of Dallas. We're going to check out 1, maybe 2 spots. As directed by our tour guide in the 3rd row seat. Wave. She found some stuff for us, and we're going to check it out. And then we're going to end up in Waco tonight.
Yep.
And Chip and Joe, we're coming for you. You should probably have supper ready for us.
Right.
No,
Really
just kidding.
cute.
We're going to check out the silos and all that stuff, you know, what you do in Waco. And it's a cool little town.
I'm excited.
Yeah. So, onward we go. So, as nice as this place was, there were no restrooms.
Yeah.
Which, I mean, I'm sure they were in there somewhere.
Well, they're probably in the stores or whatever. Or
Maybe, like,
Hopefully there'll be some room that is
like
maybe
there's-
they're invite-only toilets.
Maybe.
We are not invited.
There's a movie theater and a
It's cute.
Starbucks, so I suspect there's probably potties in those. But I don't know. That was a nice little walk, though. Where are we at again?
Oh, we're going to the hotel now, right?
Right. Megs, what was this place?
Highland.
This Highland Park Village. Lots of cool,
Cute little shops.
cute little shops on the spendy side. But I mean, if that's your thing, that's cool. A lot of cool stuff. I don't know. It's all right. I almost got whipped in the head with that one. So we're here on a good day, actually. It's Tuesday, and I don't know, there's a bunch of people here. However, what we're understanding is on Thursday, one of the local merchant folks told us that there will be upwards of 250,000 people here. So the weather here is relatively cool, but something tells me 250,000 people is going to bring the heat.